Hello guys, I'm going to make an easy ProofHub tutorial. So first off guys, we have to click on start your free trial. So right now guys, we're gonna see this menu. So first here we have to enter our name. It will be NetTech. Our email is this one. You just have to enter your email. You have to enter your password, make sure it is secure. So this one is secure. You have to enter your company name. I would say that my company name is NetTech. My phone is this one, and ProofHub URL. Let's say it is NetTech, but with only capital letters. And this is PY7 VNC. So we just have to check these things, but if you don't like to, you just click on sign up. Just wait for a second right here guys, and as you see we are going into the site. So before we're getting started, so we're just a team. How many people are in the team? Let's say that we are from between 6 to 10, and we can select our time zone. We can what are your team? Okay. Let's say school project. Okay, after that, let's say that our first task name is getting info. Our second task is let's say that's writing info. And our third and final task, let's say that it is finishing a project. Here it is guys. It really isn't even that hard. How? So this asks us how to define our workflow stages of our tasks. Let's just say that the first one is start period, mid period, and complete. Okay, if you want to, we can see them as a table view, as a Gantt chart, a board view, or a calendar. But let's say it is a board view. We can also add our friends right here guys. We can add their email right there. Like just enter this and add it. Okay, let's just get started guys. Let me show you the site right here. Okay, so it gives us a complete tutorial and the entering of the site. Right here guys, we can see that the start period of our school project, the start period is with getting info, writing info, and then finishing a project. We can also just put this between here when we'd like to. We can also add people right here, assignees. We can also edit these things right here, like edit the title, edit the description. We can also customize the description guys. We can repeat this. We can make it to repeat. We can add labels. As I told you, the assignees. We can look at the time, the progress. We can also attach files. We can tasks, like I'll just enter some gibberish. I can just throw it here, We can also just customize our profile, like customize the first name, the last name, the email, our title, and check the preferences, the language and time zone, the email preferences, and everything, guys. So guys, let me show you right now the paid plans. Okay, so it just gives us another easy tutorial. So again, another easy tutorial. This really shouldn't bother us because I'm making a tutorial for you guys right now. Okay, so let's just say if it is here, schedule an appointment. Okay. So right now I'm not finding any paid plans. Just give me a second. Here it is, guys. ProofHub pricing. So here is it, guys. I'm sorry for making you wait so long, but here's the ultimate control and the essential. So here, there's a flat pricing, no per user fee. They are one of the, not many, but one of the, so you can even count them on your hands, which are the platforms that give you the opportunity to have flat pricing on your prices. So there are two plans, the ultimate control and the essential. So the ultimate control is a flat $89 per month billed annually and $99 per month billed monthly. The same thing is for the essential, but it's a flat $45 per month billed annually and a flat $50 per month billed monthly. So the unlimited control plan gives you these features, all these features and all those core features, but the essential just gives you these features and the core features, guys. So I think that this was a good explanation for you guys. I hope that you like the video, and I want you guys to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.